Hello, my name is Zach Gibson, and I will be doing a screencast on Alex Rodriguez's steroid press conference. I will be analyzing his body language to better understand the proper body language of a crisis communication apology speech. Alex Rodriguez is very serious and obviously uncomfortable issuing this apology. This is a very uncomfortable apology topic, as he tries to rescue his reputation after being caught using steroids. He is noticeably uncomfortable and cannot sit still. This is a sign that he does not want to be making this apology, but obviously have to. Another thing I notice is the fact that he tries to look up to make eye contact with the audience, but his apology is directly off of the paper, so it seems like he is only reading the paper. The constant up and down movement of his head just adds to the feeling of restlessness and discomfort that A-Rod is experiencing as he gives this apology. The constant reading of the paper gives the audience a bit of a feeling of a lack of sincerity. His solemn tone and face, on the other hand, definitely give the audience the feeling that he is truly sorry and understands the magnitude of his mistake. Later on in the speech, Mr. Rodriguez puts down his paper and attempts to give a heartfelt apology to his teammates and fans. He goes silent and is obviously emotional. He takes a drink of water, showing his nerves as he tries to steady himself. His facial expression is incredibly serious and solemn. He is never able to muster the words, and the apology ends. Overall, A-Rod's body language is pretty unimpressive. He is the correct amount of serious, but he relies on his paper so much, causing it to feel somewhat unauthentic. A more heartfelt type of apology, where he speaks only from the heart, would be a better fit for a speech trying to mend a man's reputation.